XS Max. And we're going to unbox it. It starts at $10.99, but we have the 512 gigabyte version to review, which costs $1,449. That's a lot of money. Let's see what's inside. The packaging, very similar to other iPhones. Designed by Apple in California. This is where all the little bits of paperwork are. They say there's no instruction manual for an iPhone, but there is. This is all the basic interactions you do with the Face ID equipped iPhones. .5-inch screen. Size, roughly about an iPhone 8 Plus in terms of hand feel. The finish here, stainless steel. And glass on the back. Apple says that the glass is supposed to be more durable. The phone is now a little more water resistant, 2 meters for 30 minutes, IP68. Let's take off that backing. Very satisfying. And the phone looks on the back kind of like an 8 Plus. On the front, kind of like an iPhone 10. Inside, same 5-watt iPhone charger that there has been for a long time. No larger fast brick. Also included, earpods, lightning headphones, but no 3.5mm headphone adapter anymore. You have to buy that separately. For a phone that costs over $1,000, would have been nice to throw that in. Cables for now. So that's what's in the iPhone XS Max. Pretty minimal packaging and pretty minimal contents inside. Let's turn it on. Apple also gave us an iPhone XS Max leather case in blue to try out. Let's open this up carefully. That's how you open up an iPhone case.